Okay, so let's give this a go. We're in fourth. Not far enough over to the right, but that's okay at the moment. We're just starting. Still in fourth. Accelerator should actually be full throttle here, not gingerly accelerating, which is what I was doing. There's a lot of debris on the track. Brake, brake, brake. Hard, hard, hard. Down to third, and off. Brake again. Off the brake. Turn in and accelerate out over to the rumbles. Still in third, over to the left, brake, 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 turn in a little bit and then hard, then accelerate over to the rumbles. Bit of slip there as I hit them, that's fine. Brake, 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 turn in and then hard, turn in, accelerate out over the strips, stay to the right, brake, turn in, hit the strips and accelerating out in third, just flooring it. Easing off slightly because I got a bit scared there, but flooring it up into fourth. I should have been in fourth going around there. Dab a brake, turning in. Turned in too tight there, I think. Still in fourth. Out we go. And over to the left. Brake, brake, brake. Down to third. Car's feeling really good at the moment. Turn in, hard. Strips, accelerate. Over here to these rumble strips. Over into the pit lane. Over the line and back over to the right hand side, up into fourth. Brake, 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 down into third. Turn in off the accelerator, feather off, and feather, and push it harder, harder, harder. Still in third, and accelerate. And up into fourth gear. Come in. Oh, right, I'm just not quite full throttle, maybe 3/4 in fifth. Braking down, moving into the turn. Oh. Oil temperature's about 95. Turn in and then harder and accelerate. Hit strips, accelerate, turn in a little bit and then more. Up into fourth, dab a brake, turn in. Move out to the right slightly, just to give myself a bit of a wider angle. That works nicely. Stay behind the Golf a little bit. Dab a brake. He's ready to let me go. Down into third. Off the brake. Turn in. Round. Across the white line and over to the left and back over to the right. Brake, brake, brake. Down into third. Turn in, off the accelerator, on, off, on, steer towards the wall, in third, up into fourth, into fifth, feels so unnatural turning at such a high speed like that. Right, brake, brake, brake. Down to third. Oh, a little bit of wobble there. We've recovered it nicely. Braking. Turning in, hard. Dab a brake. Get myself a wider angle here. That Mini's gone wide. Ooh, ooh. He's gone off. Huh. I nearly went off with him. Felt the car giving a little bit. he made me nervous, to be honest. He was going too wide and I was making the mistake of following him, following my line. Oh, we got a red flag, which is good. Time to come in. Not quite giving the brakes time to cool down, but that's okay.